Now if you want to know how to create a tasty side dish for something like a roast or a steak in under 10 minutes, I've got the perfect answer for you. I'm going to show you how to turn this common or garden onion into a very tasty side in just a few minutes. Right, first we need to slice the onion lengthways in half, like that. Then we take the two halves and we place them face down in an oven-proof dish. Put a lid on it and head for the microwave. Into the microwave. Select vegetables. Press start. Right, there we go. That took about 3 or 4 minutes, so if you don't have a vegetable setting, you could put it on high for about 3 minutes or so. Right, the next step is to carefully place them on an oven-proof dish. I just use the lid of this one, like that. And then just a tiny smear of butter. Just a sprinkling of onion salt. You can use whatever seasoning you want, but I quite like onion salt. And then what we do is we take it and we place it. I use an air fryer. Place it in the air fryer and give it about 7 or 8 minutes at, I use about 220, 230 degrees. If you don't have an air fryer, then an oven's fine. Probably put it on grill because you want it to go quickly and get a bit caramelized. Right, that took about 7 minutes, so let's have a look. And there they are, beautifully caramelized. Don't be tempted to cook them without the husk on the outside, because that husk imparts a delicate earthy flavour and it makes a big difference. Here we go. There's a delicious meal with a tasty little side dish. I can't wait to get stuck into it. Even though it's been cooked at quite a high temperature. Beautifully soft, succulent. Now if you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Just scroll right down to the bottom. You'll find the comment section there. Thank you very much for watching.